If you aren't leveraging video on social media in 2023, your business will suffer. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Derek and welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be talking about the differences between traditional levels of marketing and social media and how to scale moving forward and why it's important. But if you're new here, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I want to help you avoid the mistakes that I have made over my 8 years in real estate. I went from closing 2 deals a year to 6 figures annually just from social media and referral, and closing deals virtually, changing some of the game of real estate. And I want to help you do the same. So without further ado, let's talk about the differences between traditional and the modern. All right, I think the first way is pretty self-explanatory, right? The traditional level of marketing in real estate is one-to-one, meaning if you go door knock, if you cold call, if you do open houses, it's generally a one-to-one interaction, meaning you pick up the phone, you call somebody one-to-one, you door knock one-to-one, you're at open house, you're usually talking to one person at a time. The advantage to using social media and video is it's one-to-many. So when you're out door knocking or cold calling, if you're spending 3-4 hours a day doing that, you're limited on the amount of people that you can reach during that time frame. Even at an open house. At an open house, you may be at an open house for 3 hours and may see 5 groups of people, 10 groups, 0 groups. But by using and leveraging social media and video, posting one video, you can potentially reach thousands in minutes, in hours, tens of thousands. These are people that will be exposed to you and your brand, thus building your brand awareness, showing people your marketing, showing people who you are, and having people come to you. This leads to the next point. Social media works when you are not. Again, if you're out door knocking, if you're cold calling, if you're at open houses, if you're sending marketers or mailers, you are very limited by the amount of people you can interact with during that time. And it's very limited because you're only interacting if the people answer the phone or answer the door or read your flyer or come to your open house. Whereas with social media and leveraging video and getting video out to the masses, you can be asleep and somebody can still find you. You can be on vacation and somebody can still find you. People are able to reach out to you on their own time. It also helps build the like, trust, and know factor. If you go randomly knock on somebody's door, unless you've been doing it for months or years on end, that person does not know you. They don't like you, they don't know you, they don't trust you, right? But if you leverage social media and video, if you're consistently doing it, your audience will begin to know who you are. They will begin to follow your content. They will begin to be familiar with what you're posting. Is it education? Is it funny? Is it entertaining? What's the value behind it? Thus, again, they can reach out to you and follow you on their own schedule, on their own time. You do not have to physically be at work in order to generate leads or business from social media. The next advantage to leveraging video and social media is the amount of qualified prospects or leads that you get. When you're cold calling, door knocking, farming, when you're doing things to people that do not like you, do not know you, do not trust you, you have to sift through who's qualified, who's not. You also have to service these leads for a long time. Maybe they're not qualified now, but they will be in 2 years. With social media, people will come to you when they are ready. They are often more qualified, they are often ready to go, and they are often very, very easy to work with, meaning that, again, they are reaching out to you for a reason. They are reaching out to you because they want to work with you. They are not calling or interviewing another realtor most of the time. They are reaching out to you specifically because they've been following you for a while. So again, you get more qualified prospects and leads, and you generally close deals a little bit faster from social media and video than you would if you were randomly door knocking or cold calling or doing open houses. But Derek, I don't like being on video. I don't know what to post. I can't sit in front of a camera and talk for 10, 15, 20 minutes. Perfect. You are in the perfect time to leverage social media and video, because in 2023 and the foreseeable future, it is going to be all about short form content. That is one way you're going to grow. That is one way you're going to have your content seen organically. That is the way you're going to build brand awareness and efficiently market something, is through short form video. So get used to providing a valuable message in a minute or less. It's perfect for people that do not want to be on camera or do not know how to be on camera and feel comfortable for long periods of time. Start leveraging short form content, start leveraging property tours. These are ways you're going to build your brand without having to be in front of the camera consistently. That's it. That wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, please go back and review my shorts. All the meat and potatoes are down in the description. We have resources in every video. If you want to partner with me and my record-breaking group led by the one and only Mike Sherrard, feel free to reach out to me. All contact information is below. I also have a YouTube e-guide that's very easy to follow. You can read through on your own time. It's the same strategies, tactics, and principles that our group uses that have allowed agents to close $100 million plus, all from YouTube. So read the description. I will see you on the next one.